Morning Garden Show. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Morning Garden Show. Look at this. Look at this. All this is one Lowe's on there, and they are stacked to the hill. Yeah, you can hear the intercom playing out the music, making money. And right here, look at this. This is how I buy it. This is how I save money, folks. I am buying. I'm trying to get this loose. It's frozen. Ugh, God darn it. It's frozen. But I'll find a way to get it loose. Look at all this is frozen. I can't get it. It's frozen solid. But it's doesn't have a price on it. This is compost and manure by Garden Pro. Figured I'd give it a try. But it's frozen solid. So I gotta do a little time, break this up, and get about thinking about getting about 8, 9, maybe 10 bags. I'm getting this now because when the spring comes, you're not gonna see this stuff. And that's how I get it. I get it so when spring hit, I'm done. I'm already shopping. I'm looking at people. I'm already done shopping. But this is what I came for. And then peat moss over there, got about 2.5, 2.25 of those. So I might grab another one. But I'm looking for a busted bag. That's what I'm looking for. Let me see what's going on. Let's see what's going on back here. And a couple bags over there. I wonder what they are. I think I'm gonna go check that out because I find some busted bags. I'll get the manager. We drop the price. Bada boom, bada bang. This is the Morning Garden Show, folks. Look at this. Everything's stocked to the hilt at some of the stores, but they will be gone before the spring comes. All right, later.